Hi Abdullah. Today we are delivering your machines to you, and now we have already have the 2 containers is ready and the packing the machines. The next containers is coming at the afternoon. We now finish. This is 2 containers. This is containers numbered. This is the first container and finishing. I will do one last machines into it. And this is Joe from Hooha. Thank you for supporting. And machines will soon to deliver to arrive at your factory, and wish your business is ready for our machines coming. See you later. Hello Abdullah, this is the first container going to finish, and the last machines, cantilever twist machines into the first container. This is container numbers. And 40 high Q. This is our workers team work for you. Hello Abdullah, this is the third container that is finishing at the machines. Here is some details of the machines in packing, and this is the containers. As you see, it is 40 high Q. It's very good qualities. Okay, this is the machines are now packing and delivered in China, soon to arrive to your factory. Our engineers will go through with you to install the machines, and together make your business running successful and powerful. Are you ready? We should enjoy our Hooha team's